This is the chicken thigh recipe I got from Melissa Joe on Instagram. She's an awesome business person and cook and YouTuber. Should look her up, Melissa Joe. But it's just like chicken thighs on top of carrots and potatoes. She uses sweet potato, red onion, garlic cloves are all in there. And the marinade, which is like 4 super easy ingredients. It's cara orange juice, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and I season with garlic pepper. And doesn't that look great? Right now what I'm doing is I'm going to take off the chicken on the top here. Perfectly golden yummo right there. I'm going to let it rest. Oops. Over here, look at that, see? So that's gonna rest over here, and then the rest of this stuff, I'm gonna dump the rest of the dressing in. And that, my friends, gets all cooked and caramelized down. What a bomb. I mean, just can you imagine? Super tender carrots. And it's weird because the chicken doesn't really let the potatoes cook. So what I'm learning about this recipe is that you gotta cook the chicken on top, take it off, put the marinade back in the potatoes and let it get all kind of like yummy and delicious and crumbly and marinated and yummo. And then I'll show you.